This is Nancy Green, the person behind the Aunt Jemima, but let's look at this a little closer. See, people must understand the other story too. Aunt Jemima was a code word for masters. See, white babies were raised by black beautiful women, and the white babies were falling in love with the black women who cared for them, like a child loves her mother. So the white babies were calling these beautiful black women, Mama. So the white mothers and fathers were telling the white babies, "That ain't yo mama." And over time that ain't yo mama changed to Aunt Jemima. Ain't yo mama. Then they made her fat, sticking to the stereotype that black people are fat, lazy, and can't be trusted. But if black people are fat, lazy, and can't be trusted, why did the white owners entrusted black women to be the caregivers of their children? Why draw Nancy Green, Aunt Jemima, as fat? See, in 1933 Oats Company enlisted Anna Robinson to be the face of the product. Why not enlist Nancy Green? See, Nancy Green died August 30, 1923, so why not enlist a woman that looked more like Miss Green? There is the mystery.